promised Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is.
Hey guys, good morning, and welcome to a new vlogmas. Today we'll be going to the market to buy things for our Christmas tree. This is the first time I'm ever owning a Christmas tree, and I am so excited. So the tree arrived some days ago. It's a very long tree. What we have is an 8-foot tree, which is really big. So I have been struggling to find decors for the tree on IG. Well, there are so many options, but the one I want is not really, like, I haven't seen it. So there's this store that I know is in Ilupeju, and it's a very big store. They have so many things, from flowers to Christmas trees to all the decors. So I really want to go visit it, but today is the only day I have to actually go. So I'll be heading there now to see what I can find. And the theme, my tree is going to be pretty simple. I hope it is, but I really want my tree to come out really, really simple. So what I'm buying is pretty specific. So anyway, just thought to let you guys know today's vlog is going to be us going to the mainland to look for decorations. From my other vlogs, you guys already know I had bought one, but I'm not sure I'll be using that one. So let's go shop for new Christmas decor. See you guys, let's go. Oh, and I'll be going with Maureen. Come and say hi.
Hi guys.
Yeah. So she's going to be my handbag today. I'll see you guys later. Sorry, 20. Let me do 20.
2006 past 10.
Guys, we have been here. We were able to get this, but this is not for me. This is for Maureen's new apartment.
No, I
Hey guys, how are you doing? I am back to the house. I think we left the house by 10 and I got here around 9ish. Today was very exhausting. When I say exhausting, very, very exhausting. I wasn't able to capture as much as I would want to, because to be very honest, like, it was very chaotic. Tell me why, for the most part, like, I felt like when I walked into the store, like, there were only going to be a few people. Guys, we were a lot in that space. People were scouting for things. I even nearly fought with one of the staff that worked there, because I had already picked out some ornaments that I wanted for my tree, and the next thing she was like, oh my god, please, she has to take back all the ornaments I picked, because a client paid for ornaments yesterday and she forgot to pack them, or I don't even know what that. But for me, like, that was none of my business. If a client paid you yesterday, your job was to pack the ornaments and keep out of where people would usually go to pick out items. Now that I've picked you know, picked everything up, you can't come and start taking things out. Anyway, long story short, they let me have it, but at some point I was like, you know what, let me just give it back to her. To be honest, I just didn't want to take. I think for me, I was also thinking about the clients that paid. I was also thinking about like in my head, was it actually worth it? Anyway, long story short, at the end of the day, I felt bad for her because she works there. I don't know what punishment or what her mom is going to do to her, like, you know, her madam, her boss. So I decided to give it back to her, and I picked up new sets. So I just wanted to show you guys what I bought today. Most of everything was gotten from one store. Amazing store. Anyway, without saying too much, I'm just going to show you guys all the things I bought as well as the prices. I want you guys to know that it's taking a lot of effort for me to show up even after having a very busy day, but that just shows that I really love you guys so much, and I'm trying to be as consistent as possible for Vlogmas. I promised you people a couple of videos. I've posted just one so far, but I will be pushing out up to like 10 to 15 videos this month, and that I promise you guys and myself. So yeah, let us just get into the things I bought, and I'm going to also be talking about the prices, okay? So as you all know, I have mentioned that I have a Christmas tree. It is that way. It is really big. It's literally 8 feet, so I can't carry it. But the Christmas tree is there. You guys are going to see when I'm going to be setting it up. I should be setting it up in 2 days or 3 days. But yeah, that one is over there. So I decided that this year I was going to go for a very simple and traditional design. So yeah, the first thing I would say I got would be for this, but I didn't get this from the store. I got this from a page on IG. I'm going to be putting their name. This cost me 55,000 naira. Yes, this cost me 55,000 naira. The person that I bought the three from recommended this person to me, so I picked this up and she delivered today. Then the next item I'm going to talk about that the roses, like I said initially, they are 1,500 naira each, and I bought 20 pieces. That means I bought 20. I really can't calculate it now, but yes, 20 pieces. Then the next item I bought, I really love. The minute I saw it, I was like, yes. I know I wanted something for the for our front door, so I saw this one. You know, you guys know the traditional all green one. I was hoping to pick it up when I get there, but when I got there, like, I didn't see the actual one I wanted. They had taken everything, guys. When I say they had taken so many nice things, they had actually taken so many nice things, but they didn't take this nice one. Well, she had a lot of them. So this was, I think, 40,000 naira. If I make a mistake, I'm going to correct it, but this was 40,000 naira. The next one that I'll say I got was this. This cost 10,000 naira each. So my main aim for buying this is for the berries. On Instagram, you will see people sell them, but they will tell you one stem is 6,000 naira. This was 10,000 naira, and I feel like I got value for my money because, you know, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is literally just 10,000 naira. So I got the 2 of them, and you know, this you can also use if you are like if you're hosting. This can be used on the table, but I actually got this for the berries because, honestly speaking, I do not care about these gold flowers. I personally think I got value for my money. Then the next one is going to be this one. This was not something that I thought I was going to buy. I had in mind what to buy, but it had finished. However, when I went downstairs to pay, I realized that somebody, you know, dropped this when she was about to pay, because it was on the cart that they would be returning upstairs, and I quickly understood why she returned it, but I decided to take it because I didn't have an option. This was 42,000 naira also, and that was why she returned it. I think it's between 42 to 45,000 naira, and it's not as long as I expected, but yeah, I decided to buy it because I really like it. The next item is this. So I bought pillowcases, and each of them cost 4,400 naira each. Then another pillowcase I bought is this one. This is red. I actually bought it for the parlor. I think it's going to give it a very nice pop. And what you have here is Merry Christmas, and it has this sequence design that you can either turn to gold or turn to red. Pillowcase is 4,000 each, but for the pillow itself, 7,500, which is really affordable. I plan on, you know, decorating the parlor and also hosting. I just don't know when I'll be hosting. So I bought these candles. There are 3 different sizes here. Really love them. They are battery operated, so we are not scared of anything getting burnt. And each of these costs 12,000 naira. This is definitely a steal. Yeah, like it's actually very affordable. 12,000 naira. So for these 2, I got 24. Please don't laugh. But the next items I bought was these artificial candles too. But I bought like red. So there's a vision, guys. There's a vision, okay? Now, I would say I really don't like this shade of red. I wish they were very dark. Like, I wish they were as dark as this. You can see it against this color. It's not the best, but I wish they were really dark. But I just didn't want to leave anything behind. But I bought this just in case I decide to host. I'll be having this like on different stands. I'm going to show you guys, you know, the stand I bought for it. But these are also battery operated. I also bought it in green, and this cost 14,000 naira. Then I bought these balls. They are so cute, guys. I really love them, and I can't wait to see how they are going to look like on the tree. And I plan on buying more, but not this design. I want something, you know, bolder and bigger, just to give my tree a little contrast. Each of these is 4,600, and I bought 10. Then I also bought this. This is like a table runner for hosting. This was the best I could see. Back to ornaments. I bought this gold. I doubt I'm gonna use it on the tree. I honestly doubt. But I saw this gold. I liked it. I liked the shape, and I decided to get it. I think I just got 2, so we literally just have like 4 of these. I'm not even sure at this point. Oh yeah, just 1. So this is 4,600. I had to buy these candle stands. So the plan is to have these go in, you know, and I'm going to place it in like different places in the sitting room. Sorry, in the dining, just to, you know, elevate whatever design I have going on here. This was 20,000 naira, and I honestly think like it was definitely worth the price. Moving on, we have the bowls. These bowls I bought from another store. The same store I bought this basket from is where I got this one from. I see me buying 2 more just so I don't run out, because I want bowls on my tree. But this, I'm going to put the price because I cannot remember how much I bought it. Or I think it was 5K for 1, so I had to buy 2. Or 6K for 1, I had to buy 2. I feel like I've shown you guys this one. I bought this one off the luxury store, I think, in Ikoyi. And this was 70,000 naira. Definitely double the price, because I went on IG, and while I was looking for other ornaments, I came across this exact design. Not the same color, but same thing. And it was 30-something thousand naira. So run away from VI. But yeah, you know, it's cute because I haven't even seen this bronze. Like, you know, I had not seen it. I feel like I'm saying that to console myself, but yeah, I didn't see this color. Then we're almost getting to the end of this haul. I bought these Christmas socks. I just think it was really cute. This is the pink. How cute. Each of them was 14,000 naira. Honestly speaking, very affordable because the quality seems really, 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 really good. So this is the other color. I can't wait to, you know, decorate my house. Just, you know, put things here and there. I'm not going to be doing too much, guys, but yeah, I'm going to carry you guys along with me while I'm doing it. I'm just excited that I'm able to push myself to do something like this. I just feel like it is so important to be very intentional, especially when you want to get things done. And this is going to be the first time I'm actually going doing all this for myself in my house, and I didn't want to have to wait. I'm so glad I want to be able to do certain things while I'm single. But not the least item would be this mug. I got this one in Lekki Phase 1. I'm going to put the store also here for you guys to know what it is. This cost me 35,000 naira. Honestly speaking, I think it's very expensive, but it was cute. It is cute. I wanted like a Christmas cup for myself, and I think this is really cute. I'm so used to buying, like, I love when I see things like these. Do you get? I love when I see things like this. So this is like a guy and a girl, and the girl is the cup and the guy is the jug. So the guy pours into the woman, you know, as it should be. I'm not saying that women don't pour into men, but you get the drill. He is the jug and she is the cup. I just felt like this was really cute. This was really, really cute. I see myself really taking hot chocolate, even though I don't take hot chocolate like that, but I feel like I'm going to be doing that because of this cup all this season. I'm going to be taking, like, you know, I'm going to be using the cup. That's all I know, and I'll always bring it out during the festive period. This is so cute. I don't regret the buy at all, and I am just so happy. That is the end of everything I have bought, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I will be doing to my space. It's going to be nothing extravagant, but fingers crossed I like it, and I also hope you get to like it. And that is going to bring us to the end of this vlog, and I'm hoping that you enjoyed the vlog just as much as I did filming it. It was so stressful, but I'm so glad I was able to shoot this. The time is definitely past 12 as we speak, but it is fine. Anything for you guys, anything for you guys. I'm going to be heading to bed, not immediately, but you know, very, very soon. I'm just going to go up and edit some videos, a video that is going to be going up tomorrow. Today was Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. The video has to go up today. So yeah, that's basically it. Good night, guys. I love you. Bye. Mwah.